Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download review request automation from Birdeye. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download review request automation from Birdeye, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.birdeye.com and press enter. Once the Birdeye homepage loads, look for the login button and click on it. Enter your credentials in the login form and click the submit button. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left-hand side, locate the automation section and click on it. In the automation menu, select Review Requests. Here, you will find various options for managing your review requests. Look for the download option, which is typically represented by a download icon or a link. Click on the download option to initiate the process. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm your download. Confirm the download to proceed. Your file will begin downloading, usually appearing in the lower corner of your browser. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the file to open it and review the contents. Make sure to save the file in a secure location for future reference. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded the review request automation from Birdeye. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.